So thank you very much. My name is Cyrille Le Clerc, and I am a product manager at Grafana Labs. I'm French, as you can hear, maybe. And I work a lot on open telemetry, on Prometheus integration with OTel within the context of Grafana Labs. I want to share with you how I feel open telemetry demo is very important to connect better the open telemetry on Prometheus ecosystems together, and also how Prometheus has some kind of responsibilities or some risk related to the OTel demos that I'm interested in sharing with you. So who is familiar with the OpenTelemetry demo? We have talked a bit about it. So some people, but not everybody. I prepared a quick summary. It's still lengthy because it's a lot of things. So it's a demo of a microservices application. It's instrumented with OpenTelemetry. It's created by the OpenTelemetry community, maintained by the OpenTelemetry community, lives in the OTel community. As most OpenTelemetry things, it was born in traces for application monitoring. Very interesting to us, Prometheus people here today, it's expanding from traces to metrics logs on infrastructure monitoring. And I think infrastructure monitoring is particularly interesting for Prometheus support. So it's a microservice application, tons of services talking to each other, a few databases. On something very interesting also with this demo is that it comes batteries included. So in addition to the microservices application, you have some monitoring tools, mostly from CNCF. You have Prometheus, you have Jaeger, you have OpenSearch. We had a talk about OpenSearch earlier. And the visualization is mostly Grafana. Okay. And so here, yeah, there is a Prometheus reputation is involved in this demo, in my opinion. On something very interesting, I think it became a de facto monitoring or observability demo, and I prepared this slash Bjorn before your talk. So I don't know if it's monitoring observability. There are 39 vendors today who have created an integration to the OTel demo. So many vendors use the OTel demo day in, day out to demo their stuff. But it also comes with batteries included with Prometheus. When a vendor, whoever you think about them here, demos OTel demo, of course, they don't show Prometheus, they don't show OpenSearch, Jaeger, they show their stuff. But it's in the demo. Opportunities and responsibilities, in my opinion, I will accelerate. I think the opportunities is that it's a great opportunity to showcase Prometheus to OpenTelemetry practitioners. There are many OpenTelemetry practitioners who have never heard of Prometheus. Yes, it exists. But at the same time, I think there is a risk because if Prometheus shows poorly in this OTel demo, then maybe people will have a negative image of Prometheus, which may be completely unfair, but just because the demo is not set up well. I stop with AI-generated images. So we have worked recently on Prometheus-related improvements in the OTel demo. First thing is we have done OTel metrics done right in my opinion. So when you do infrastructure monitoring, you need to promote many resource attributes as labels in Prometheus, which is not out of the box. So you had a lot of configuration. We also had to do some stuff with application monitoring oriented resource attribute promotion in target info, like promoting service namespace in target info or service instance ID. So we have done a lot of work here. I think we have, it works well, but maybe we can think it's a bit verbose as a configuration and maybe it should be out of the box. We have worked a lot on the dashboard also. The dashboard did not evolve. These are Grafana dashboard. I will not blame vendors, commercial vendors to not improve Grafana dashboards in the OTel demo, but they were not showing greatly Prometheus, so I accelerate. So we have done a lot of work to have good dashboards that showcase well red metrics, alerting integration, also infrastructure monitoring view within your application layer, traces, logs. Worked also on Linux monitoring dashboard. And here it was interesting because there is this question of resource attribute promotion for infrastructure monitoring like Linux. Worked at showing how to manage your dashboard, your alerts as CRDs or entities in your Helm chart deployment, rather than having a big pile of values.yaml Helm chart with zillions of unmaintainable things. Sorry, I am late. Working on alerts as well. And then we have showed some useful PromQL. I love how some PrometheusAlerts.com, which shows great PromQL queries. And it was very hard for me to get the right PromQL queries for OTel use cases. So here we have many of them. I accelerate up. On in addition to showcasing Prometheus and making people successful with Prometheus with OTel, also we have used the OTel demo to validate some Prometheus improvement. We have used the OTel demo to test the Prometheus translation equal no translation. We have used it to test delta temporality. I'm using it to improve resource attribute promotion configuration. On some ideas that came to my mind today was Weaver and so on. Thank you. Sorry, I'm late.